I'm William Hartley from Certling, and we'll now show you how to get a certified translation on certling.com. After taking a picture or scan of your document, simply select the language, upload the pictures or the PDF. You can add more files if necessary. Let us know what it is. So here it will be vaccination records. Certify that you're allowed to use this document. And send. Here you get a preview of your image. Our system needs the orientation of the text to be correct to be able to give you an accurate quote. So here, rotate the image if necessary. Now that this is done, you have the option to go to the next step. You can remove pages if some of the pages don't need translation by just unticking them, or you can customize the content to be translated. This is also a good way to check that the system has detected your text. Here, you will see what the OCR has detected. So, as you can see, it has detected most of the content, even the handwritten text. But in order to save a bit of money, some of the content doesn't need translation. For example, these recommended vaccinations here, which is 35 to 52. So I'll go ahead and remove those right here by selecting them. They've all been selected now, and I'll remove them from the translation. They've all been removed now. The OCR might miss some text, as you can see here, especially handwritten content. Don't worry, we expect 3% of the content to be missed, but we will manually transcribe it. If you discover you've removed too much content, you can easily reset and redo the process again. So now we'll go forward, and if need be, you can add names that are hard to read. So let's just indent Natalie Marta here and continue. That's how easy it is. Here you can choose your currency of choice, euros to US dollar, British pound. You see how long the translation will take. You can choose Express for a quicker delivery. You can request us to print and post you a copy. And we also have notarial services, from notarization of the translation to apostille to make it recognized internationally. Enter your name and address. Any comments for the team that might be useful. Accept the terms and conditions. Enter your discount code if you have one. And check out. This is how easy it is to use Certling, and we hope to see you soon. I hope you found this video useful, and don't hesitate to ask me any questions in the comments. And I hope you'll try our services. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.